enough said about why traders fail. Let's talk about how to be a successful trader, and then wrap up this lecture. Obviously, the reasons why traders fail, the opposite of these, the reverse of the reasons why traders fail is the reasons why 1% of traders make money or they succeed in this market. This is just a mirror image, a mirror opposite. Solid knowledge and understanding of markets that they are trading. Obviously, if you understand what you're doing, it's hard for you to fail. Good money management. You don't overextend, you don't overtrade. You have $1,000 account and you want to be trading like you're holding $100,000 account. Yes, they're giving you leverage. And so what? Mind you, when the losses start coming, it is your $1,000 that is in the front line. As I explained, I will expatiate on that further in other videos. Having mentors or seeking out experts and peers to gain trading knowledge. I mean, yes. For example, Scalping Pro. But as time goes on, you will come to understand. Have somebody you can discuss with. Somebody you know understands the market better than you. He's been in the market at least 5 years, 7 years, 10, 15 years ahead of you. Tap from his knowledge, whilst you also learn and then grow your knowledge stock. Watch how he trades, how he manages his emotions, psychology of his trading. He doesn't just get up and then pick a trade. No, he picks a trade once he has a stop. He knows that he's within his rules, and so you don't see him panic, especially when there's bad news. No, there's adverse news on a particular currency pair, and so he starts panicking. Oh my God, trade would have gone against me. I'm in trouble. No. He's clear in his mind what he is looking for on the market. And when he goes, he gets it. I mean, yes, there's no trader that doesn't make losses. Every trader makes a loss. Find a trader, a mentor who is honest to himself and can be honest to you and tell you, yes, this trade I took was a bad trade and made a loss because I did not look at this, I should have looked at this, and that. That way you also learn. It rubs off you. You don't blame others for your mistakes. You accept your errors for yourself, because it is the only way to learn from your mistakes and then improve your trading knowledge. Most traders look at big gains and then just jump into trades. Oh my goodness, this guy is making money on this trade. Let me jump in. Maybe I can also follow suit. Assess your risk first. If it's within your appetite, is within your tolerance, then look to the profits. I mean, we are here for profits, but more importantly, we are not here to lose money. Never forget that. I repeat that. We are here for profits, but more importantly, never forget we are not here to lose money. So protect your money first, as far as you can, and then go after the profits. Assess your risk first, profits second. Successful Traders Bible. A foundation of daily routines, including mental preparation. I think I have said this over and over and over. Have a daily routine. Do not procrastinate. I have to chat 1 hour every day. It's a routine. It's a good habit. It improves your knowledge of the market. It trains your eyes to see opportunities without even sitting down to even start analyzing. You see where opportunities are by just scanning through the market, scrolling through, and then now you sit down and then you validate these opportunities. Is it confirmed the price is going to drop? Is this a reversal? Is it confirmed? Why? What confirmation do I have? Is it in a divergence? Is it sitting on a certain resistance level? Do I see any resistance signals or any resistance candles or trend changing candles? What is going on? Look at me. Look. Have a routine. You don't just enter the chart. No. You don't just enter and start trading. No. If I pick a chart, I have to go to the monthly time frame. Look at what's happening there. Cascade down to the weekly time frame. Take a closer look. Get myself and familiarized with the currency pair. If it means I'm going to be trading just one currency pair for the next 1 year, I will do that. It gives you a better understanding. And mind you, you can make all the profits you can or you want on one currency pair. The more dispersed your trading is across currency pairs, the more you invite risk into your trading. I know traders who trade only one currency pair. They don't need to go and be trading every currency pair there because they are looking for opportunities and then they are desperate. No, you don't have if you have a trading plan. These are some of the things that stick out. Use your stop loss protection. I don't know what to say about it. Use your stop loss protection. I repeat, use your stop loss protection. I'll say again, use your stop loss protection. You're a newbie trader. You're still learning. Early days. Protect your capital. As a newbie trader, your first objective is to protect your capital. Never forget that. Protect your capital. Don't go chasing profits. As a newbie trader, when you're not sure what the market is even doing. I saw my friend take this. He said support resistance bounce. And so it has supported. It is resistant. It's going to bounce. No. Protect your capital. And then if you know how to play, if you know how to defend, trust me, your capital will definitely grow. Because that way, when you make profits, you're able to protect the profits. I mean, there is no reason that it doesn't make any sense to make $500 today, $300 tomorrow, and then lose $1,000 the day after. You've not only lost the 2 days profit you made, you've actually lost a portion of your capital. You've wasted your time, especially if you didn't even think to find out what your errors were, what mistakes you made, and how to correct them, and quickly move on. If you're just going you're just flying by the seat of the seat of your pants. Look. Trading is a numbers game. It entails probabilities. Yes, I'm seeing a buy signal. But what is the probability that I am right? What's the probability that price will go up? And as I said, a high level of confidence and a positive attitude. I keep putting in my signal description. I keep putting in my video descriptions. Positive attitude, positive mentality equals positive gains. Be confident. Don't be overconfident to think I can take a 50 lot trade because I've seen somebody do that and they've turned $500 into $50,000. No, take it easy. You're a newbie trader. Do you know how long he's been trading? Do you know what trading plan he's using? He might have developed his trading plan, rehearsed it, back tested it severally. And so when he's taking such a trade, he's comfortable with the risks involved. It is within his tolerance. I'm not saying you cannot do that, but not today. This is step by step, a day at a time. A newbie trader and as always, I've said this several times, commitment to the trading process. Don't leave your charts, don't leave trading, and then when you hear somebody talk about FX, then you quickly rush. Yes, I also trade, and then now you go back because you want to impress. No, you don't. You're not here to impress anybody. You're here to make money and take it home. Consistent profits. Commit yourself. Perseverance. The one thing that every trader needs, and the other thing that every trader has fallen foul of, is making losses. There is no trader on this planet that would tell me since I started trading I haven't made a loss on a trade before. No, it is not true. There is no trading strategy that will tell you that, okay, this trading strategy is immune to losses. It only makes gains. Or this robot is a robot that makes gains only. No, there is nothing like that. Every trader makes losses. But the point is, when you make those losses, find out why and what mistake did I make. Pick yourself up. Don't dwell on losses. Don't get emotional about it. Do not go in for revenge trading. Persevere to better yourself, to improve your skill set. Persevere. Get up, pick yourself up, and then go again. So long as you stay within the boundaries of your rules and in your trade plan. Persevere. Taking 100% responsibility for each and everything that happens in your trading. It is your trading chart. It is your trading capital. It is your trading account. They are your trades, not anyone else's. Hell, if you even pick them from a signal, or you decided you are in a WhatsApp group, or you're on a Telegram group, or you're in an Instagram group, and then you saw a trade, you saw a chart, and it looks like, okay, the person has put this trade here, and he's picking it. It is still live. Let me pick it. You took that decision for yourself. Nobody forced you. Nobody, absolutely nobody forced you. Until when finally the time comes and it hits TP, or it hits stop loss, or it wipes your account. Please learn from the successful traders. Those who have now, learn from them. Take full responsibility for your actions. Finally, being in the habit of forgetting their last trades, win or loss, and moving on to the next trade, as I just said. Don't dwell on your trade. So you made a gain. It's good to celebrate, but quickly move on. Look for new opportunities. Be consistent. Grow your account. If you're making, look for new opportunities. Don't overtrade. Don't overextend yourself. If you made a loss, I mean, yes, it hurts. It's disappointing. It's gut-wrenching. It is. It doesn't mean it's the end of the world. No. Pick yourself up. And I'll tell you again, I'll repeat myself. Find out what you did wrong. Correct it. If you lose, you learn. That way, if you win, you win. Either way, it's a win-win. In the long run, when you put together these errors, this little bit of errors, these mistakes, when you put them together and you correct them, it improves your stock of trading skills, your knowledge of trading. It improves your mentality, your psychological trading. Another thing most trading institutes don't tell you. Trading psychology, just as trading experience, is grown. You grow that. You don't start trading and have the psychology. No, you grow it. I've heard on some forums that the trading psychology is directly correlational to your trading capital growth. If your capital is growing, exponentially, your trading psychology grows. But I don't have the data to support that. But the point is, you have to grow your trading psychology. It's something you grow day by day, and it has its roots in learning, enhancing, understanding your tools, learning the chart, learning your stock of trade, trading, understand, learn it. As you learn it, you grow in confidence. And as you grow in confidence, and then you improve your skill set, you improve your entries, you improve your exits, you improve how you protect your capital, you improve how you protect your trades, how you hedge your profits. People complain. The moment I move my stop loss or I hedge, every time I'm stopped out. Or sometimes it looks like anytime I enter a trade and put a stop loss, the price just goes straight for the stop loss. No. Why? What didn't you see in the chart? Look out for that. How did you develop your structure? Be sure you understand what is going on in the higher time frame before you come down to the 1 hour time frame or the lower time frame or the 15 minutes time to be trading. If overall on the higher time frame it's a bullish market and you're taking a bearish trade, tighten your losses, tighten your stops, tighten them. The moment price moves in your favor, quickly protect the capital you've exposed. If it moves further, take some profits and then leave the rest to chance. Leave it. Once you've protected some profits, you've already grown your. Leave it. Whatever happens is beyond. It's not important to you. If it goes further in your direction, all the better. If it stops you out, yes. You've already made some profit. You've protected some profit. Not just your capital. You've grown your capital. All said. Trading is not a pastime. By now, if you've listened to me throughout, you should know that trading is not a pastime. Trading is a full-time job. Depending on what your daytime job is, you can develop your trading plan to suit you. You don't spend all day looking at charts and looking for opportunities at every single hour. No. You do your charting in the evenings or over the weekends when the market has closed, especially on the higher time frame, to get a broad overview. And then as the markets open and then the days wear on, you come down to the lower time frames, you pick your analysis, you do long term, intraday. There's always a trading method that suits you, your lifestyle. Don't go out there onto the charts, into the markets, without learning how the markets work. Make sure you've taken the time, invested your time, committed yourself, believe in yourself, know that you are a successful trader. And with this, I have no doubt that you will be able to make it in this very vicious environment of harsh and speculative opportunities. Thank you very much. Very grateful for your time. All the best to your profits, as always. Good evening.